So I use a schematic diagram to write down the information they've given us. Ratio of males to female is 5 to 4. And then we have these two categories here, literate and illiterate. And we're told that this ratio is 2 to 3. That means if this is 2x, that's 3x. This corresponding ratio of the illiterate males to females is 4 to 3, so 4y, 3y. Then they tell us 3,600 males are illiterate, which means x is 1,800. So that's the total number of illiterate males. This would be 5,400. So total number of males would be 3,600 plus 4y. And then if I create the ratio, males to females, female would be 5,400 plus 3y. And that's 5 to 4. And I can cross multiply. Plus 16y, 5 times 5,400 plus 15y. That becomes y. And then at this stage, you can just use a calculator. I will be factoring 1,800 here because I know 18 times 3 is 54. So that becomes 2 times 4. 15 minus 8 is 7. So that's y. And I need 5,400 plus y times 3. So again, at this stage, you can just use a calculator. I'll just factor out an 1,800. 1,800 actually times 3, because that's 5,400. And I'll get 1 plus 7. So it becomes 8 times 3, 24, times 18, and then 2 zeros. 1, 4, 2. And the answer is 43,200.